yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wish for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip.
This time, I'm going to try and do this job properly. So yes, everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today we're doing more painting on my Fabia Vrs. If you are new around here, then please smash that subscribe button. I've got a Mark 1 Fabia Vrs that is on air ride, and I'm trying my best to make it show worthy coming into summer 2026 in sunny England. Now in last week's video, we painted these lovely door trim strips to paint match the car, and it's come out pretty decent, but today I'm gonna try and do an even better job on the next thing that I'm paint matching on the Fab. Now the part in question is the door handles. Now, I'm not sure if you're the same as me, but when I see plastic body parts and body panels like that on a car at the factory, it screams base spec. So, we're painting them. And I've even brought some proper stuff to do it with. Now, the first thing I've got to do is prep the car. Last time, I just masked up around the areas that we were working with, and it turns out that paint actually does go absolutely everywhere. I had paint dust all over the car. I had to go over the whole thing with a rag to make sure it doesn't ruin all the paintwork. So I bought a proper car painting dust sheet. Let's get it on. This was actually the first time I've ever used one of these car painting dust sheet things before, so I didn't realise you're actually meant to unravel them before you put them on the car. So here I am layering it up where I'm meant to actually unravel it, which I do actually figure out when my friend Barney comes and tells me. Make sure you also drop me a follow on Instagram if you haven't already. Oh my lord, what have I done? Yeah, I got a bit carried away. We ended up, Barney helped me, and we've literally just wrapped the whole car in the dust covers. Because like I said, last time I done the last video painting the door trims, it literally just got paint dust all over the car. For the sake of 45 minutes of covering it like this, I thought it's just worth doing. All the handles are nice and open. Obviously, that on the driver's door, you've got the door lock mech. I could paint that silver. I could leave it like that. I need to make a decision. I think I'm probably gonna cover it and paint around it, but we'll see. The next step is preparation. So let me show you what I've been sent. So I've been sent out a full kit load of stuff from the guys over at Paint Nuts. They have literally supplied me everything I need to do the job. We've got panel wipe, clear lacquer, grey primer, paint, which is perfectly colour coded and made to my chassis number, and a whole kit of Scotch pads, everything, all in there, ready to go. So as you would have seen in my last video, I used genuine paint, which for me, using that is pretty much one of the highest grades of paint you can get, because you know that's what they're using pretty much at the dealership. So we're gonna put this to the test. We're gonna put Paint Nuts to the test. Can they hold up against a dealership level quality of spray paint? Let's find out. Step 1, prep the surface. I'm using the finest level of Scotch pad that Paint Nuts have supplied in the kit to just go over all the plastic surface of the door handles to make sure they are dead smooth and tacky enough for the primer to stick to. So once I've scotched up all the surfaces, I'm going to get some of the panel wipe with the lint-free cloth that Paint Nuts have supplied and go over all the surfaces, making sure they are completely dust-free. This step is absolutely essential. You can see me like the other great thing about Paint Nuts as well, they send you a nice pair of gloves in the kit. I do have gloves, but it's just quite nice to just get the little things in life. Wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bet. Rightio, so the primer is on and it's looking unreal. All the handles primed up now. There is a couple of little nicks here and there in the primer, and I know normally you're meant to give it a quick sanding on the primer, but on the grand scheme of things, it's pretty decent. And I don't want to go over it with sandpaper if it's going to absolutely ruin it, when currently it looks pretty good. And it's the main face of them that look the best anyway, and that's the main bit. It's only kind of on the top, underneath, all the little bits you can't see could do with a little sand, but I just don't think it's worth it. You're only going to see it all when you're about this close, but realistically, you're normally this close to the car when you're looking at it, and you ain't going to see it. In my opinion, it's the 10-foot rule. I'm going to go straight on with the paint. And like I said, the guys over at Paint Nuts have paint matched it to my exact colour code using the chassis number of my Fab. Now that's so good because you know it's not just going to be like Halford's off the shelf. Yeah, it's probably this paint colour. Looks like they've mixed it to order to the car, which is absolutely unreal. I have actually used Paint Nuts before in the past as well for a touch-up pen. I bought some for myself and it came out amazing. I'm really happy with the results. So I've got full faith in that this is probably going to come out well if I do a good job. Let's find out.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do.
So I've done about 3 to 4 coats. I can't remember exactly how many, but yeah, about 3 or 4 coats, and it's looking sick. I've only been filming this side because the lighting's great, but I have also been doing the other side as well. FYI, so it's looking pretty good. I don't think I need to put any more paint on now. Like, there is a lot on there. I think if I do any more, it's just going over the top. I think what I'd rather do is just coat on the lacquer. I'd rather put more lacquer than more paint, because the lacquer's really going to give it that shine. And also, if you have thick lacquer, it's going to protect it, in my opinion, as well. So I think we're now on to the lacquer stage, but they're looking pretty sick. So funny looking at the car like that just to paint some door handles. It does look a bit excessive, but it is honestly so worth it. The last thing I want is for that paint dust to go all over the car like it did last time, but we are getting somewhere. We're just layering up the lacquer now. So I have done, honestly, about 5 or 6 coats of lacquer, and they are coming out looking pretty fire. Now, they are pretty much touch dry. A couple of bits here and there are a bit soft, but I think it's a good time to now get all the tape off, because while it's damp, it'll be better to pull the tape off than when I found out when the paint dries and goes hard, the tape pulls the paint off with it. So let's roll the time lapse, let's get this whole car cover off, and let's finally see how they've turned out.
Locked in, guess I'm locked in. Yeah. Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs, world is going to see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake, whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake, Luke's trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action, and you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Watch it happen, yeah. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past pain.
Oh my god, guys, I mean, I'm sure you just saw from that time lapse, but these have come out way better than I thought. Honestly, when I was spraying it, I was thinking, oh no, the paint match, it's not quite, like, it's not that good, I'm thinking, oh, I've got to promote them, it's not that good. But I've taken the tape off, and look how good the paint match is. Second to none.
Losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head. I see the riches of the world, I'm not impressed. Know that
You wouldn't even know that that wasn't factory. Oh my. There's a couple blemishes, as you can see there. Beggars can't be choosers. It's an afternoon spray paint tin job. Do you know what I mean? That is absolutely phenomenal. That is, I'm absolutely blown away. I've never been more happy with a paint job before, ever. So I literally cannot recommend more paint nuts. I'm quite literally lost for words. It is unreal. Let's get the other side off. Let's roll the car out and see what it looks like in the sun.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful, where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time.
So there we have it. The Fab now has painted door handles and it looks unreal. I'm so chuffed with it. So if you like it, then like this video. If you did like it, then smack that subscribe button. Plenty more to come in the next coming weeks. I'll give you guys a quick sneak peek of what is coming up, because we have got the TT Comp wheels are now ready for refurb. The tyres are off. They are ready to go. So they're going to be getting sent off next week. So in 2 weeks time, the new wheels will be on the Fab, and you can see the grin on my face. I'm so excited. So without further ado, I'm going to end off this video. So smack that like button, smack the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
I want